Hi guys, welcome to the cactus art. In this video, I'll show you how to draw vector illustration of Wednesday character. So let's get started. First of all, I'll import the image in Adobe Illustrator and we'll draw the outline using pencil tool. After completing the outlines, I'll select the color picker tool and color the segments one after another. Now I'm changing the face color by selecting shades from Skin Color Tones palette that I've made on the side. After completing colors, I'll make background in purple grid and its darker shade and will paste vector drawing over it. Finally, Wednesday is here. Hoping you liked the video. Thank you for watching.